As I sit here in a foot of snow, writing under this tree, I can now say I have survived through one of the coldest, snowiest, and most exhausting nights of my life. So it's really just showing me how underprepared I am for this situation. Our tent's about caved in, our fire's out. Oh, I'm freezing.
Spot.
Yeah, this is good. That was close. Holy. What's up, everyone? It's Outdoor Pete. It's January 16th, and it's one of the coldest days of the year. It's around 8 degrees right now, and it could be getting down into the low negatives tonight. We're supposed to get some snow tonight, around 8 to 14 inches, so I'm hoping the snow piles up on this thing. I'm gonna get the stove set up, we're gonna get some firewood, and have ourselves a good time. We're just relaxing in the tent now. We got the fire going pretty good, but it's still quite cold in here, as you can tell. This is some brisk air.
Yeah, it's getting pretty cold.
We got a weather warning. It's almost 5 o'clock now. What's our storm name?
Storm Izzy. She's coming in.
I didn't know they named storms, snowstorms, so supposedly it's gonna be pretty bad. So I'm excited to be out here and see what happens. We're gonna get some rocks here and take it over to the tent and build ourselves a little fire pit. Right where the sled is. Here it comes.
Alright everybody, tonight for dinner we're gonna have some brook trout. And we're gonna have some venison butterfly steaks. So let's get cooking. Oh, the certain one you want.
We brought the fish inside. It's getting really miserable outside. It's loading me up. Pretty bony creatures, you know what?
Yep. Be pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah, it's good. I eat about 30 of them.
Yummy. I don't know what that's from.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It is around 7:30 right now, and it is like brutally cold out here. My hands feel like they're gonna fall off. We've probably got around 2 inches of snow already. It's really coming down.
We'll see you guys in the hot tent. Look at that.
Good lighting.
Again. That's good.
It's really coming down. So our fire right now is just being kind of a pain. It's going, but it's not burning hot. It hasn't been the whole time. So I think we might have got some wet wood. I'm not sure what's going on with it. I think the best thing for us to do is just get in our sleeping bag and go to bed. Just absolutely wild. It is 2:30 a.m. Our sled over there is almost buried. I uncovered it earlier. Our tent's about caved in. Our fire's out.
It's about to collapse.
Our tent's about to collapse. We got a lot of work to do. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh boy.
We just uncovered the tent and now we're working on getting some warmth.
Oh no. We got the fire going again, and we had to use the last fire starter to get it going. It was just a hard decision to make. It's 3 a.m. right now, and we couldn't decide whether just to hold it out till morning or just start it up now. So we just threw the last fire starter in, and we're hoping to keep it good until morning. When I thought of the snowstorm, when I heard about it and was like, I need to be out here camping in it, I thought it was just gonna be easy. We were gonna sit in our hot tent and it was gonna snow outside. But I didn't even consider like how cold it was gonna be, the wind. So it's really just showing me how underprepared I am for this situation. Anyways, if you guys are enjoying up and this far into the video, I hope you can drop a like and subscribe because I feel like my life's at risk. We got a foot easily. This is awesome. Look at this. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful morning out here. This snow is just awesome. We got about a foot. I've spent the last probably half hour just packing up all my gear in the tent because if I drop something out here, it's probably gone forever. Now all we got left to do is just get the rest of the things packed up, get the tent down, and start the trip back home. That will conclude a really good hot tent camping trip. If you guys enjoyed this episode, I hope you can leave a like and hit subscribe, and stay tuned for another episode of Outdoor Pete.